Alrighty, as promised, here is an update on the mining farm. What you're looking at here is a 600 amp panel. This is powering right now 108 miners, and let's see, it's powering 4 switches, and that is about it for right now. I have currently right here on this side, I'm going to be adding a 600 amp panel next to it and another 400 amp panel next to it also. The reason for another 600 amp panel is we're going to bring in another 108 miners. So pretty cool stuff. But yeah, this is how this works. Here's the panel. This panel is designed to exhaust heat, and I'll show you why here in a second. There are my lines running the conduit into where all the miners are actually sitting. Now, in here currently, the floor temperature, let's see if I can get it, 80 degrees. 128, 130. This bad boy gets hot. With all this continuous power, this thing stays hot. And I don't know if you can hear it through here, because you can probably just hear the wind noise in the background. But it sings, it purrs, it hums, it makes a lot of noise. The wires that we use in this are oversized. They're 8-gauge wires in this bad boy. This thing is designed to withstand this kind of heat and power forever. That's how we had it designed. And we're gonna have another one put over here. But let me show you what's going on inside. If you follow my channel, you know what this is. This is my vault. And you've seen this before. But here's the lines coming in. Straight over, my junction boxes, switches, the whole 9 yards. And here we go, 108 Antminer S9s. Now, if you take the room temperature in here, 77.9. 91. Good temperatures. All the heat blows into this box right here, you see, gets sucked out through this ductwork. Straight up into it, straight up out, up and out. There's 20,000 CFM of air. Nope, there is, I'm losing my mind. 25,000 CFM of air moving out of there. 12,500 apiece. Over here, losing my mind. All these numbers that run through my mind. These are old roof curbs that I had for return air. No longer need them. But on this side right here, you're gonna see shelves and miners and the setup up here, just like you see on the other side. If you look up here how the conduit runs on top of these brackets we had built, same thing as they come here. So they come out and hung up there. Here's the material. We just got it all in, and because of the hurricane that hit North Carolina, its material's coming in slower than I'd like it to. Everything's moving slow because, you know, North Carolina right now needs it after all that destruction from the flooding and the hurricane. But it's here, or most of it's here, enough for these guys to get started. Here I have more Antminers that I need to get plugged in. And if you're not familiar, this is my return air. Now, this will give you an idea. You can see that blowing right down there. This right here is putting out lots of air, both sides. Lots and lots of air. So if you look at the floor temperature over here, 79, and the duct temperature is 83. So, yeah, things are looking good. I'm getting another 108, puts me at 216 at this location. So I couldn't be happier. Everything's coming together. A lot of people ask me the question, is this profitable? Well, let's see. This here shows me the condition of every miner I have in this farm. How much the hash power is, its temperature, what it is producing per day. And it is profitable. I only pay 5 cents per kilowatt hour. So I really can't complain. I'm not unprofitable. I'm happy with what I'm doing. It's all working. Once I get all of this up here hooked up and going, I tell you what, it's gonna be super exciting, because over here on that side over here, these machines right here are moving about 25,000 CFM of air together. And the heat coming out, you know, is a lot. So I'm wondering, we have to figure out, do I need to add more bigger fans or more ductwork? So I mean, it's gonna be one interesting science experiment. I love it. But yeah, so here's the update. You guys have all asked for it. Figured I'd throw this in there real fast. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace out.